I'm Rick Falcon III, unit manager for South Santa Gertrudis. This is my horse, Mister. He's 15. Had him since he was 4. When we got cattle to sort in the pens, he watches the cow real good. When we go in there to sort, he knows his job very well. I was just a hand when I got him. He ended up on my string. He was kind of green broke, and now he's my #1 horse. I have 3 guys on my crew. In total, we have about 20 quarter horses. I like these King Ranch horses that are tall, stout. They can take a lot of work. Ranch horse. He looks like a ranch horse too. King Ranch, it's really all I've known. Grew up here 15 years full time and started when I was 12. It means a lot working with my family, especially my dad. Riding for the brand every day. I wouldn't want to be doing anything else.